Well, hello there, and welcome to the VirtlX technical demonstration. VirtlX is an innovative engagement platform designed to revolutionize the way organizations monitor and manage the experiences of both their customers and employees. By recognizing the intrinsic link between employee satisfaction and customer satisfaction, VirtlX offers a holistic solution that ensures consistent and persistent tracking and tracing of engagement levels. VirtlX's value proposition offers a comprehensive, cloud-based platform designed to streamline and enhance employee and customer engagement through automated feedback, online employee training, and insightful reporting. VirtlX is available via Microsoft Private Offers. When selected from a marketplace, you will be presented with the checkout process for the selected VirtlX plan. Click on the blue Next button to continue. In the price and billing section, you may enter the number of user licenses you require for the employees in the company. The number of employees imported to a VirtlX profile will only be permitted in relation to the number of user licenses purchased, so it is important to ensure you purchase a sufficient number of licenses for all employees in the company. Once the correct number of user licenses has been entered, click Next to continue. On the payment page, a summary of your VirtlX subscription and payment details is presented. Please check these details carefully, and once you are happy that they are correct, click on the Place Order button. A complete purchase paid section is then presented with a thank you and a summary of what you have purchased. You will now need to configure your VirtlX account. To continue, please click on the Configure SaaS Account button. Setting up and configuring VirtlX is easy. You will be presented with a simple setup and configuration process. Click on the blue Next button to continue. In the Add Users section, you are able to assign specific managers access to VirtlX for the purpose of creating surveys and employee training, as well as sending out the engagement invitations to recipients. Assigned managers are also able to view the reporting. If you wish to assign access permission to more managers, other than just yourself, click on Specific Users, Groups. A list of all people in the organization will be presented. Select those people that you wish to have manager access and then click on Next. Next, you are requested to accept the app permissions. Read the app permissions carefully, and once you are happy, click on the Accept Permissions button. Once the Accept Permissions button has been clicked, the button will change status and display as permissions accepted with a green tick to the left. Click on the blue Next button to continue. The managers that you have assigned as users will be displayed. Please check that these are correct. If you need to change the selection, click on the gray back button, or, if you are happy that they are correct, please click on the blue Finish Deployment button. A confirmation page will announce that the deployment has been completed. Please click on the blue Done button to proceed. From within the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you are able to manage your VirtlX subscriptions. To manage the VirtlX subscription, click on the listing. You may add extra employee licenses to your profile by simply clicking on the Buy Licenses button, or remove unwanted licenses by clicking on the Remove Licenses button. To cancel a VirtlX subscription, click on the Cancel Subscription link. To buy additional licenses, simply enter the number of licenses in the window that opens to the right that you wish to add to your VirtlX subscription, and then click on the Save button. Once you are all set up, the assigned managers will find VirtlX in their Microsoft 365 profile by selecting Apps in the menu and then clicking on VirtlX in the Manage Your Apps section. VirtlX and all its services is then ready to use from within Microsoft 365. Also, from within an assigned manager's Microsoft 365 profile, a notice will present itself notifying the manager that a new app has been added to their profile. Click on View App, and the VirtlX installation will be displayed as newly added by your manager. Click on Got It to exit. A neat trick to assist in quickly creating surveys is to make use of the provided default surveys and questions. The questions may also be edited to specifically fit your requirements. Thinking up new survey questions can sometimes be rather challenging and time-consuming. To assist you in creating questions, there's a useful question library that not only has all the default questions stored in it, but it also saves any questions you created yourself, including a copy of those questions you altered. Click on the blue Question Library button to access this feature. Once in the question library, you may search on question names or for words in the actual question. Select the question you wish to use by clicking on the relevant tick box to the left-hand side of the question in the grid and then click on the green Apply/Use button. The question will then present itself in the question editor where you may save it as part of your survey. A powerful tool in VirtlX is the VirtlX Services Scheduler. The scheduler allows you to configure when you would like particular surveys to be sent out automatically. The scheduler also allows you to define which reports to be sent out at specific intervals and to which managers these reports should be sent to. Andrew Blackwell, Sales and Customer Services at Gear for Music says, VirtlX has been a really useful platform for hosting our e-learning course and analyzing our staff's responses to this. The VirtlX team have been a great help and have been quick to implement features that were specific to our requirements as the project evolved. Arjan Molenkamp, Group Head for Retail and Business Banking at Bank IBC says, VirtlX gave me an invaluable insight into how our banking consultants were performing from a customer perspective, allowing the bank to act decisively when a customer was not quite satisfied. VirtlX is easy to use and provides valuable insights to companies on how their employees and customers are engaging with the company overall.